song was popularized by Basil Valdez. Yeah, thank you so much for your support. Keep sharing, guys. Thank you. Hope you like the song. Mag-iisa ngayon at kailanman. Sa hirap o ginhawa pa, asahang may kasama.